everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share about 8 habits that can help you prevent aging and stay young. So the first habit is stay away from stress. Staying away from stress is one of the most important steps to stay young. This is because stress causes the formation of free radicals in the body, and these free radicals are known to cause damage to the internal organs of the body and they cause various other health problems. So this is the reason that you have always been asked to stay away from stress if you want to have a younger looking skin, if you want to delay aging, if you want to delay wrinkles. So keep yourself away from stress. Then come to the second habit, which is get sufficient sleep. What happens that during sleep our body does all the healing. So getting enough sleep is very important, as during sleep our body does all the healing and repairing. So not getting sufficient sleep leads to degeneration and low immunity in the body, and leaving higher chances of getting sick. So therefore, getting sufficient sleep is very important to look young and to look younger for a longer period of time, to reduce wrinkles, to reduce dark circles and promote healthy aging. So make sure that you always get sufficient sleep. Third habit is keep yourself hydrated. As you know that our body is made up of about 77% water, and therefore this is the most crucial element in the body. And this is very important for our healthy life. And water helps remove all the toxins from the body, and especially lukewarm water. I always suggest and I always insist to sip lukewarm water throughout the day, that it will help you expel all the toxins, all the unwanted material from the body. If you want to have like a younger looking skin, if you want to stay young for a longer period of time, make sure that you keep yourself hydrated, and especially drinking lukewarm water will help you a lot. Then come to the fourth habit, which is stay active, walk or dance or do some moderate exercise regularly. So being active ensures proper blood circulation in the body, and therefore each and every cell of the body gets proper oxygen and nutrient, and it is very helpful to stay young and to stay energetic. Then come to the fifth habit, which is eat a variety of nutrients. So it is very important to eat mindfully and include a variety of nutrients in your food plate, and these nutrients include all the macronutrients as well as micronutrients. So macronutrients include mainly protein and getting good fat, and whereas in micronutrients you can have a variety of vitamins and minerals. So eating mindfully and only as required by your body is very important. So try to give some rest to your digestive system as well. It will ensure proper digestion and the purification of your body. And then come to the sixth habit, which is detox your mind, body and skin. So detoxifying your mind, body and skin regularly will help you stay young for a longer period of time. It will help you by throwing any waste outside the body to detoxify your mind. You can do regular meditation, and for body detox you can try to include simple home recipes. For example, like apple cider vinegar. You can take apple cider vinegar and then you can mix it in your lukewarm water and then drink it. Or you can include triphala powder in your daily routine, or you can simply take lukewarm water and 1 lemon and some honey into it, and then you can drink it in the morning, first thing in the morning. So these simple recipes will help you detoxify your body. These recipes will help you expel all the toxins from the body. So for skin also, try to use some natural or herbal scrubs to detoxify or cleanse your skin. So you can also check out my earlier video that I made for a regular detox habit. So I will leave the link in the description box and you can check it out. Then come to the 7th habit, which is never stop learning. So continuous learning and growing gives you freedom for aging well. So learning can be through any source. You can use it can be through a friend, a book, a workshop, a group of people, maybe a trip, a movie, a book. Or so additionally, you can also take classes for any course that you feel worth for your growth. For example, so it can be a yoga class or meditation class. It can be a Zumba class or a book writing class or a cooking class. So or any classes of any course, any class of your choice. Then come to the 8th habit, which is practice meditation and belly breathing. So as you know that meditation helps you remove stress, stay calm, and reduce the damage that occurs because of the formation of free radicals in the body. And whereas belly breathing ensures that oxygen reaches to each and every cell of the body, and it helps heal the body at cellular level. So it is very important to practice meditation as well as to practice belly breathing. So these were some of the healthy habits that would help you stay young and delay your aging and feel energetic from inside. So these habits can help you stay motivated and ensure healthy aging. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Subscription to this channel is absolutely free, so you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.